All right, so we're in a hotel room in Maui, and we don't have an oven. So we're gonna go ahead and try to microwave our DiGiorno rising crust pizza. So we've already got it started. We put it in for 12 minutes. We're gonna see how it turns out and see if this is a good idea or not. All right, so I covered it with a paper towel because I didn't want it to destroy the hotel microwave. That worked. Now, let's see if we can get it out of there. Looks like it definitely cooked it. A little greasy. Yeah, let's let this cool off a minute. Ooh, yeah, it's really hot. We'll see what we get. Of course, we don't have a pizza cutter. We do have this gigantic knife for some reason. We'll let this cool off. Definitely molten lava hot right now. We have our own little volcano. Let's see how she cuts. It's like a big rubber tire. There it goes. It's kind of more like soup than pizza. Here. We're gonna let that cool off a little bit longer. It is burning hot. Diving in, it's definitely spongy. It's really good. Yeah, it works. Experiencing some slight discomfort. I'm not sure if that pizza is the right thing to be eating, but we're gonna see if this passes. Oh no! Don't eat the DiGiorno from the microwave.